The Power Tools Payroll is formatted into several easy-to-use menus. The Enter Browse screen includes the maintenance and browsing options. Current Week is where the payroll is processed each period, along with the weekly reports. End of Month provides workers' comp, sick and vacation, union, and other HR reporting. End of Quarter includes variance and audit reports, as well as tax reporting and detail or summary wage and deduction information. End of Year provides W-2 and ACA processing. Special Reports includes miscellaneous things such as 401k, Section 125 detail, earnings and daily time reports, as well as custom reports created for your company. The Miscellaneous Utilities list payroll dates, a Social Security number update routine, tax file updates, and miscellaneous support tools. So let's take a look at the main payroll menu. The payroll is date sensitive and can be accessed for multiple years and pay periods. Payroll dates are set to your company's requirements, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or semi-monthly. Variances are checked upon entry and alert the user if a payroll has not been completed properly. Attach images to the employee files. These may include driver's license, green cards, or other employee-related documents. The remote time entry processes payroll submitted from the field from our Time app, saving time spent inputting daily payroll and giving you the opportunity to simply review and edit. Access the HR log to edit and add additional items to track. Notification of overdue items is visible. The Update Calc file ensures any changes to federal and state taxes throughout the year are automatically updated to your program. And the Help and Documentation links to our online help and videos. The Enter Browse menu is used to enter the employee, company, state, county, city, union, workers' comp, and job information required to process payroll. The employee file contains the information required to process an employee through the payroll. This includes the pay rates and W-4 information, hire and termination dates, direct deposit information, deductions, other incomes, sick and vacation hours, driver's license information, and other miscellaneous HR for the employee. The labor class file houses the workers' compensation codes, rates, and provides the ability to record prevailing wage for each labor classification per job. The labor class file can accommodate multiple states for different workers' comp rates. Utilize the union file to define the calculations for any required deductions to be withheld from the employee's pay and the union fringe to be paid to the union by the employer. Determine the defaults for payroll processing in the System Control file. Load 401k matching and limits, vacation tracking methods, other incomes, deductions, taxable, non-taxable, and pre-taxed, along with a 5th week option. The 5th week option skips the deduction in a 5th week when the deduction is calculated assuming a 4-week month. The job file determines the taxing location, whether it's the job or the employee's resident state. Save time and create consistency in labor burden calculations by utilizing the many overhead options: a straight percentage, actual overhead for FICA, FUTA, SUTA, workers' comp, and union expense, a lump sum per employee, a rate times hours, or a combination of the options. Each job can be unique in the overhead calculations. Payroll also includes customized termination and rate review codes. And for multiple company processing, the Payroll Intercompany allows you to use one company to process payroll while charging another. This option will automatically generate an entry to bill and reimburse the payroll company and charge time accordingly to the non-payroll company. Several browsing options are included for easy access to employee information: earnings inquiry, summary and detail earnings, and browsing information by workers' comp data. The HR log can be used for an unlimited type of tracking items by employee. This log includes due dates to track expiration dates or due dates for ongoing education or badges, for example. As with all the Power Tools modules, imaging is included to attach scanned information to the records. The Current Week menu provides the steps to process payroll for each pay period. The accuracy and ease of payroll processing is enhanced by following the check sheets provided. Error condition reports are also provided to display any possible errors in entry or missing fields in the employee setup. Enter hours and other earnings by person, by job, or by daily entry. You may also import time from the mobile app. Track regular, overtime, and double time hours, as well as other incomes such as bonus, vacation, sick, or holiday pay. Pay rates can be changed on the fly for prevailing wage jobs or other standard rate requirements. Unions and labor classes for workers' comp may be edited during entry for employees working in different classifications. Utilize the Allocate Other Income to easily divide an additional income such as per diem according to the time worked on multiple jobs. The Auto Pay cycle inputs payroll for employees with standard work hours with the touch of one button, commonly used for salaried employees. Timesheet detail reports provide input detail grouped in different ways, by job, by employee, in detail, or in summary. The weekly reports provide audit reports detailing the payroll input, including the page total with the incomes, deductions, and the employer's tax liability. The certified journals provide the required breakdown for employees' pay records for certified job reporting. Detail reports for deduction, income, checks or vouchers, along with man-hour and union reports, are included for the pay period. The end-of-month menu provides additional reporting for employee HR items such as employee lists, rate review, and termination reports. Extensive workers' compensation reports are included in summary, by workers' comp code, by employee, or in job detail. Sick and vacation reports display the accrued hours and the hours taken by calendar year or by anniversary date. EEO and union reports are also provided. The end of quarter menu provides earnings, detail, audits, and tax reporting. The Payroll Variance and Section 125 audit reports test for discrepancies between the input and the files updated during the processing of payroll. Any variances are listed specific to the employee and the payroll date for effortless correction. The tax reporting includes federal and state unemployment reports with or without employee detail, and the 941 may be printed as a report or as a PDF ready to send. State, city, and county tax withholding reports provide the proper taxable wages for the time period selected. Information reporting includes several detail reports with a date range. These include tax deduction reports, miscellaneous deduction reports, detail earnings including detail for each pay period, summary, and proof reports by the pay period or employee. End of year provides the W-2 processing and ACA reporting options. The W-2 process provides the form detail, a verification report, and the ability to edit fields needed for additional W-2 information not included in the payroll data. State and local fields are editable in the event additional forms are required to accommodate more states than the W-2 form will allow. ACA forms include the 1094 and the 1094C and the 1095. The 1095 provides the IRS who has access to employer-sponsored health insurance and who does not. The 1095C can be printed directly on the form or as a PDF. The ACA Employee Hours by the Month report displays the actual hours worked and determines full-time and equivalent using the calculations required by the ACA. The Special Reports tab provides detailed reporting for deductions, distributions, Section 125, 401k, and matching reports. Also included are detailed payroll reports with employee detail in several different formats. The Lien Rights Report provides the last day worked on each active job within 180 days of the computer date. The Miscellaneous menu contains the utilities to help maintain the payroll data. For example, editing pay dates, corrections to Social Security numbers, or detail adjustments for taxable wages. The Power Tools Payroll provides all the tools needed to complete a simple or extensive payroll for construction companies. We are happy to review the system in more detail specific to your company's needs. Give us a call at 407-834-0700 extension 100 or email us at info@thepowertools.com to schedule a time.